Whoop whoop, welcome to the Batgirl Jamie Show. Today is a what's in my bag video. I have to show you what's in my bag, and this is my purse. It's a Kathy Von Zealand bag, and it's got pockets on the side like that, and they look like that. It's got one on that side, and then it's got this flap-up bag pocket, that back pocket that pops up, and there's a plain one on the side. And I'm going to start on the inside, and I'm going to show you some stuff like that. This is my pencil case. It's a Disney princess, and it just unzips like this. I keep all my pens in here that I can write. I keep my gum, which this is one of my favorite gums, Dessert Delight, and it's the apple pie one. I just like it. Nose spray because I've got a bad cold. My bangs are so short right now. They haven't fully grown out yet. My aspirin. My keys. And on my keys I have this My Melody Pez dispenser. Batman. My Hello Kitty key covers with my keys. Yellow submarines. I'm a big Beatles fan. And this Irish keychain that my aunt got me that I absolutely love, and my Team Edward, and this awesome keychain that my dad got me, and it's some of my favorite lotion if I need something smelly and my hands are dry. My pictures of my nieces and nephews, my calendar. You never know when you need a calendar to write something down. Sometimes I use my iPod for that if I don't have my iPod. And I've got some Butterfly Flower perfume from Bath & Body Works. I love this perfume. I've used almost all of it. I've got some Dove Go Fresh, and it's Be Revived Pomegranate and Lemon Verbena. A glass holder with no glasses in it. Some Breathe Happiness lotion. Some Sweet Pea lotion. Sweet Pea body spray from Bath & Body Works. And here's the cap for that. If I got the cap, I keep it on the I got this comb. This wallet, which I'm kind of disappointed with because this little broke. But it's big on the inside. It looks like this on the inside. I'm not really fond of this wallet. This isn't one of my favorite wallets I've ever had. I liked my SP one better than Dark for when I read. I do read when I'm at work or my anything new. Usually in the zipper pocket I keep my headphones. My iPod headphones. My iPod's on the charger or in one of my pockets in my hoodie, so that's why it's not in here. And that's all the stuff that's in here besides this little cute makeup bag. I got this at like Walmart for like less than $5. It keeps all my lip glosses in it. I got this lip gloss, this Sephora lip gloss. This mirror. This mirror is broken, but since it's reflective on that side. My mirror. And some lip glosses. A Sephora lip gloss. I just got a bunch of lip glosses in there. Lip stuff and mirrors in case I need to fix stuff, and then a bunch of papers. I don't even know what they're all. Check some, and some more lotion, some pomegranate lotion. I have a lot of lotion in my purse because I have such dry hands that I'm constantly putting lotion on. I got my iPod charger, more papers. I usually have in this pocket is usually my chargers. One for my phone because my phone dies pretty quickly because it's one of those Android phones and the cheaper Android phones do not stay charged very well. And my name tags for work, and I got 2 of them. Business cards, so people can see more use or emotion. That's the one I use the most. A ticket stub to the Hunger Games movie. Yes, I did go see the Hunger Games, and it was fabulous. As you all know, I've already done my review, and that's what's in my purse. in this pocket, there's usually my camera. My camera's either in this one or my front one. I can't remember which. I keep my camera on me too. And then on the side pockets, I keep batteries in one, batteries in this one, and that one's around me. Extra lips. This is just a lipstick that I shoved in there, and it's a Mousse lipstick. It gets too dark for my taste. I like white, so. And that's my review of what's in my bag. And this is a Kathy Von Zealand bag, and I did get it where I work, and I did get it at a good price. And I love this purse. And that's what's in my bag. Dropping stuff, but and that's my purse. I just wanted to show you guys what's in my bag. Thanks for watching. Peace out and much love to the channel. Bye.